Today I am going to show you what is the best text editor for HTML. I am gonna start with Notepad that comes with Windows. This is a good text editor for beginners. Let's open our HTML code using Notepad. As editors go, it's quite primitive. Pretty much anything else is better. But Notepad does not highlight HTML tags. Notepad++ is better than Notepad. It identify the code and highlight tags. Notepad++ looks as simple as the basic Notepad program that comes with Windows. Developers who looking for a basic, user-friendly and free environment in which to write HTML, CSS, Ruby and a host of other languages, Notepad++ is a good option. Sublime text editor is not open-source software. You need to buy a license that cost $99 for 3 years of updates. But you can use it without license for limited features. Next one is Atom. Atom is a desktop application built with HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and Node.js integration. It's a pretty good for Atom is a free, open-source text and source code editor for macOS, Linux, and Microsoft Windows. Atom has support for plugins written in Node.js and embedded Git control, developed by GitHub. This is pretty good. Last and the best one is Visual Studio Code. Code has tons of themes and extensions. This supports variety of programming languages. It can also be used as a good debugger. The plugin supports helps to extend its strength to another levels. As a programming student, I really love this editor because it helps you a lot with its prediction and a lot of programming language supported. Thank you for watching. See you soon.